Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor new ki pet ya karukam ya ki jingwat ya ki arngot ki briu ki brang jar ngai ha ka jingtua kendo. Kumta ula hier Nongpriang haringkat u MLA ke sora oba Kevin Milim ngam ban ye kendo ye ki bahayeng hasem bat ban IT ru ye ke cek ba marsau lak tingka. Sya ki bahayeng jong kini ki lanot. Ong Myntri haba penpau ye ke jing Khlem ya kini ki longiing. Oba akerman shela haba yat iki mau jingking ki badan haduk lai hajar news pa ban poi hayeng jungki bangat ha ka apot sepsngi na ga jingban jungki mau bar ka kendo ha ga jingjur slap ha kini ki sngi baladem nap deng kini laingut bakila yam baladep itu ru yaki kumu ohi nong tudu banapo wai long su tengah pisa nong rum banyuk san snem bat lum lang riatam bakhat nu snem na Nongpriang. Kamet jong uba aken mau sing ai nyop host nem karta bat benti riang tam drup host nem karta na Nongpriang gidei gibla ban sei daga SDRF nala ying sa jongki hadin bala sya batem ha ki mau bat ha ka kendo.
Ban ai blei kerpang yai Myntri badan buram jangi ba kermen sila ibra palat khnang ya kapor ko kodol jangi anwan khnang saru kani ka snong Nongpriang ka snong ka pangi haphiar jat diki hajar diki step ka klo ben simini ka sinjam anwan khnang sunu ka snong ka benta ka bakongsan kalong mana kaliang ka jangi niwan ban Khlem yakini ki altli ki longiing kawai ka longiing jong iba kisan nongrum bat kawai ka longiing ka bakentuk ya lainut ki dukhat jong longiing ikong benti riatam iba ken masing ai bat iba lumlang riatam ki baladu ya la ka jong ka mensim ka bokor ka jong ki min sisngi ha nakadaw jong ka jingtua jong ka lum boy nakaliang ka jongi ni penpau ki jing Khlem oblei undan ringkat bakini ki mensim ki bokodor bon ai ya ka jing jathai ka babam jikut baraju opor blender ringkat bat ba e pathoy jong kini ki dekhot ki baltu yala ka jong ka jingim bon ai ya ka jing suk bar ka jing tingen bar blender ringkat ro bat ki hakum kani ka por ka gi syam kani ka jing susi Tenakaliang ka jong iro ngi son penpau ka jing so buram ka basikat de amar ngi so thu bakani ka jaka kalong bakhan jingai nang tena po surok ba na son penpau ka jing so buram ya ESDU civil jong sora civil subdivision I Kumari Saloni Gorma I BDO ba hajong I SDPO ba Penhon CM I OC jong sora police station ba Anthony Kongsit bar kham kar pang ya ka team jong police personnel nang ni na po sora police station ya ka search and rescue team but kumju ya ka SDRF belawan nadu mencisngi ringkat ka jingat relang but I saldal jong ni gnong mat kiwi kinong kit kam snong but kumju nakaliang jong kinong snong hi baro ki belaya itrei hakite ki altli ki met but persang banyo ya baro kini ki sautli ki met menin kasni te nakaliang ka jongi son penpau ka jingso buram ya ka serkal jela apo ka jelam jong Myntri rangba berkumju apo ka jelam jong Myntri badi pek ya ka revenue and disaster management kibla airu ya ka iarap na ka benta kani longiing hakum kani ka por bagi mat ka jingso si te nakaliang ka jongi so penpau sa buram si ka de ya inong elam snong pa nadu ka to sngi hadin ka jing pentep ka jongki yo pakila itrei met pat mensim ban persang an sei ya kini ki met ki blamat ya ka jing sosi at ni si radem nearly 4,000 steps we have to go down. Our main purpose is to express our deepest condolences to the bereaved family. May God be with the lost souls. And we went there actually like what the Honorable Minister has said. We went there as an initiative taken from the government as a token. We have also given the check of rupees 4 lakhs each to each of the households, and actually we've also seen the extent of damage caused where 2 households has been totally damaged. One household where the owner of that particular house by the name of P. Sakal Nongrum has lost his life, and also another household where 3 members of the family by the name of riat, and Mr. Lumlang Riatam has all lost their lives. So that's our main purpose, to go there down to express our deepest condolences to the family. As public representatives, especially from rural areas, we do face many challenges when we speak of rural connectivity. I represent a constituency where we have around 94 villages across the constituency, and till the year 2018 we could see that there were still around 42 villages which were still unconnected by road. I'm thankful to the MDA government that in the last 5 years, out of these 42 villages, around 12 villages have been connected by road, and presently we are still having around 30 villages which are still unconnected. Of course, we have expressed this challenge to the government, and I'm very hopeful that in the coming days we'll surely get some more schemes which shall ensure connectivity to our people.
We have seen the people from that Nongpriang area, they are difficult to carry things for like rice, whatever food, household groceries to carry. Is there any plan for government to restore back the roadway?
Yeah, right now of course we have proposed one roadway for this particular village, and it's in the pipeline, so we'll hope that we'll be getting sanctioned in the future.
So, beyond financial assistance, what are the forms of...
Now, till today, we've just provided the check as stated by the Honorable Minister, and immediate relief. Then the future, maybe from the government side, they'll see. Of course, we are thankful to the SDO Civil, the BDO, the SDPO, the OC of Sora Police Station, and especially to the police personnel from Sora Police Station, the Search and Rescue Team, the SRT, and also the SDRF, and also the village headmen and all the villagers in Nongpriang village who in the past few days have worked jointly to recover the dead bodies.
and even in this village, sir?
In this village, I didn't get what you said.
So, are there any plans for follow-up?
Visits, the local headman will provide information required by the office. So that will follow it up, and if in time, if anything needed from us, we will try to extend our support and any help required. But when it comes to this disaster, what had happened recently, this will be, as per the norms, will provide the assistance.
And so, do you have any personal message or words of encouragement for the residents?
Yeah, actually, I would like to say a few words to all the people, the people of Meghalaya state, that to be aware when it comes to this monsoon. We have seen that we have so many incidents happen within our state. So to kindly be alert and then be prepared yourself, because the department will not be able to reach at that instant, at that very moment when things happen, especially the disaster happen. It will be very difficult for us to reach. But if the support and then the kind of support we have had recently, what we have seen in this Nongpriang, so we have seen that Nongpriang have really extended the support. We would like to see that this kind of support in other village too. We would like to have, so that we will reach and then on time and then give the support at the right time, so that we will not lose any life, especially the precious life of our innocent people of our state. As a government, we have seen that from time to time they have tried the very best from different line department to extend the support and then to extend the help, especially infrastructure, whichever needed and whichever can be extended. So when, especially the particular village we have seen, and we had a talk with the local MLA, it seems very difficult to bring road connectivity to this village. But still, it's really nice to hear from the local MLA mentioning that they are trying to do the survey, and then if it is feasible, maybe the government will take next steps how to extend the support and then road connectivity. But even furthermore, I would like to say that the government, we have already started the discussion regarding this road connectivity of village in the entire state. So we would like to see that few, if not all at a time, at least few villages in different constituency, different district will be taking care, and then road connectivity will be provided to those villages.